Hi SBI people, this is Thea once again and welcome back to VGK. Today our topic is about the letter enye and I will teach you 3 ways on how to get the letter enye when it's not available on your keyboard. It's very easy, so let us start now. Way 1. First, from your computer, I am using Windows. Prepare some notepad or any document to write the word with letter enye. Click the start menu at the left corner of your taskbar. Hit the letter S on your keyboard so the search bar will appear. Type character map and click on character map when it shows up. Character map is a Microsoft Windows utility with an on-screen layout where you can find the special characters that is not available on your physical keyboard. There is capital letter enye and the small letter enye. Just click on the letter enye, click on select, click on copy, and paste it to the document you have. Way 2. If you are using an Android device, my example here is a notepad, and I am typing Las Piñas with letter enye, and the keyboard that I am using does not have letter enye. So what I'm gonna do is to go to any web browser, and in Google search engine, I am going to type the letter enye and tap on search. Many websites and articles with letter enye will appear from the screen. Tap and hold to highlight the letter enye until it gives you an option to copy. Tap on copy and go to your notepad or documents. Tap and hold on the field until it gives you an option to paste and tap on paste. In case you accidentally copied the nearby character, then simply delete it and you are done. If you are not always online, you can keep to your notepad and copy paste it when you need them, even when you are offline. And the last one is the way 3. By the use of alt code, this will work only if your keyboard has a numeric keypad. There are 256 alt codes you can utilize, like emojis, shapes, and many more characters. To get the big letter enye, hit Alt and the number 165. And for small letter enye, hit Alt and the number 164. And if you want to send me a heart, hit Alt and the number 3. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.